Hi y'all, it's Wolf and Rockstar back with another video, and this is day 0 of 0 to first payout. I said I was going to do a 0 to 100k challenge once I got my first payout, but since I'm so far in drawdowns, you can see by my accounts, I was like, let's just do a 0 to first payout. I got my first account in September and my second one in November, which is crazy. How I still haven't got a payout yet, but I was making good money in November. I got funded in September, the first account. October was rough. Got my bearings back in November, was killing it, and then December was rough. Then January got back out of drawdown. February started off and draw down a little bit and then got back out. That's the yo-yo I've been doing. Then March, I just I dug the biggest hole of drawdown, as you can see. So as you see, this is my 50k account. We're negative $1,200. This is my live account, up from the beginning of the year. The beginning of the year was at 650. So not up much, but up a little bit. This is a sim count on the trader, so it doesn't count. Then you see I'm negative 3,400 on the 150k. So these two are funded. Then these are three 300k evals. So they're down almost 5 grand. So last week I was 4 for 5, and I just had one micro for all the funded accounts and the live account, and then two for the eval. So I made obviously just like $400. So I wasn't making a lot to get out of drawdown. I just wanted to make sure I get my bearings. Because what if I lost all those four, then my account would have been blown. So that's why I did low risk. So now next week we're going back up to full risk that I like. We're doing still one micro on the live account. Once I get above maybe 1,400, I'll go up to two. Two on the 50k, four on the 150k, and then 10, so $1,000. So basically, what the bracket looks like is just 210, what I need to get a payout. 210 on Top Step, 420 on my funded futures, and then 1,050, 1,060 on the 300k evals, and 105 on my live account a day. Should be good. So locking in on that. So we'll do this. I'm still so much in drawdown that I can do this challenge and post every day. So I'll be updating y'all every day live on, not live, but every day on this channel. And we're going to get my first payout, and then I'll start the 0 to 100k as well. Just like I'm doing the 0 to 100k for affiliate marketing with TikTok Shop. And life is good. So follow all the journeys. The journey to me making a bunch of money and being a millionaire and all the things. I opened my Discord a little prematurely, so it is closed right now. I do trade live with it every day for people who are still in there, but it is closed right now until I get, back in profit. I feel like I lost a lot in December, then been break even January, February, and then lost a lot in March. So I gotta get out of that. And yeah, I'm excited. So we're gonna do this challenge. I'm up to y'all every day after every trade. I'm not gonna really focus on the money. I'm just saying I won today. This is you know what I made. I just told y'all what I'm risking. You don't know what I made. So I don't want to focus on the money for myself. I'm just saying we won today. We lost today. We won today. Accounts blown. Okay, back break even. Okay, up. We're up 1,000. Okay, we're up 2,000. Okay, payout time. Like that. I want to do those updates instead of daily. Like, oh, I made this today. I made this today. I made this today. It's the same amount every day, and that's how I avoid blowing accounts and like getting not getting payouts for consistency rules. I just target a number. Especially as a beginner, I think it's good to just target a number, and then you can let the runners run after that, or after you made a bunch of money. But in the beginning, like just target something you're okay making every day and move on. And usually you're gonna hit it more often than none than chasing the home runs. Anyway, so yes, 0 to first payout challenge. Here, this is the beginning of my second year of trading, so I'm like a year and 3 months in. So that's what you would know. How long I've been trading, and you can ask me questions. And what I did differently, I added these EMAs to the chart. So I added the EMAs. I have the 1 hour chart up here in the corner, 1 hour, 3 hour, 1 minute. 1 hour, 3 minute, 5 minute, and then 1 minute. I used to just do the 3 minute and the 1 hour, but I added the 5 and the 3 because sometimes it pulls back to a 5 minute for value gap. So now I can just wait for it to come out of that 5 minute for value gap. Sometimes it just runs without it. My stop loss is big enough to let everything play out, which I love about it. Daily PO3, you can see, and the daily PO3 was so clean all last week, as you can see. Like 9:30, we came into a value gap to go up. Same thing on Tuesday to go up. Wednesday up to go down, and then Thursday and Friday up to go down, up to go down. So this is your weekly candle. Bearish candle, maybe, I think. I don't know. I don't really look at the weekly and the daily. But we got up on the way, high of the week, down. So that's what you want to see. Good daily profiles. It's been really helping. And it's nice. So I feel good. Payout time, April's going to be my month. And let's go, y'all. So cheer me on, hate me, play on my downfall, whatever. But enjoy the ride, watch the videos. So this is day 0 Tomorrow will be day one, and let's see how trading goes tomorrow.